Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add keyframe in CapCut. Okay, so basically adding a keyframe is the ability to make any image within your video to move all around wherever in whatever position that you're setting it to move. Okay, so let's quickly go into it. We open our CapCut. Okay, so when you open your CapCut, what you need to do is very simple. Come and tap on this new project. Okay, so that you start a new project. Okay, so you tap on new project. All right, so I want to use photos for this case, so I'll first import my background, this one which is having a green screen. So I select it, then I tap on add. Okay, so I'm importing my background. Okay, so after importing my background, I come to overlay here, then I tap on add overlay. Okay, so I'll import the photo that I want to add as a keyframe. Okay, so that's the photo, then I also add it. Okay, so what I'm going to basically do is to just reduce it a bit and I put it in one direction. Okay, all right, so what you're going to do is that I want to be moving this photo from anywhere I want. Okay, so as you can see here, this icon here, which is like a diamond and it has a plus sign on the left, this is the icon for the keyframe. Okay, so what you want to do is that you're going to move this photo here. Okay, so when you move it there, you also move the video here a bit, then you tap on this icon that says keyframe. So when you tap on it, the diamond will appear within the video here. Okay, as you can see, then I again move this photo here. So when I move it there, again I move the video slightly there. Okay, then I tap in this diamond icon which says keyframe. Okay, then another keyframe will be moved there. Okay, so again I move this photo here. Now I'm giving my photo directions it's going to follow. So when I move it there, again I scroll this side a bit. Okay, then I again tap on the diamond which represents the keyframe, then I tap on it, so another keyframe has been added there. So I move my photo for the last time there, then I scroll down this side, then I add another keyframe here. Okay, tapping on this icon. Okay, so our keyframes are basically done. Okay, so those are all the keyframes we've added. Okay, so let's go back and see how it plays. Okay, so as you can see, the photo is moving by itself. Okay, so that's how the keyframe works. Let me play it again. Okay, yeah, so that's how it works. If you found value in this video, please leave a like.